Hello everyone. Today we are going to revise a very interesting topic, that is birds. Birds are the animals that can fly. Their body is divided into a head, trunk and a tail. They have two pairs of limbs, the legs and the wings. They have two legs but no hands. Their wings are covered with feathers. Their mouth is called a beak, but they don't have teeth at all. A bird can fly because it has a light body, it has a streamlined body, it has wings. On the screen we can see body parts of a bird. These are eyes, head or crown, wings, tail, claws, bellies and beak. Wings and feathers of birds. A bird's body is covered with small and fluffy feathers to keep it warm. These are called down feathers. The long, flat feathers attached to the wings and tail help the bird to fly. These are called flight feathers. Would you like to fly like a bird? Well, you will need wings and a tail to fly. Your body will have to be covered with feathers. Which are the different types of feathers? They are down feathers, body feathers and flight feathers. Let's see very important organ of birds, that is beaks. Mouth of birds is called beak. They use their beak to eat. The shape of beak depends upon the type of food they eat. They also use beaks to build nests. They clean and smoothen their feathers with their beaks. It is called as preening. We can see different kinds of beaks. First one is short, hard and pointed beak. Birds like sparrow, pigeons, peacocks and finches have short, hard and pointed beaks. This type of beak helps these birds to pick up and crush grains and seed. So they have strong, short and hard beak. Strong, sharp and hook type of beak. Eagles, vultures and hawks eat flesh of other birds and animals. So their beaks are strong, sharp and hooked. They are called birds of prey. Birds like woodpeckers, hoopies, pokes holes in hard tree trunks to pull out insects to eat. So they have strong chisel-shaped beaks. This helps it to tap the bark of trees and take out insects. Broad and flat type of beak. Ducks, goose and few cranes eat flesh and insects from muddy water. So they have got broad and flat beaks with holes on either sides. The muddy water flows out through these holes. Hummingbirds, sunbirds eat the nectar from flowers. So they have long and pointed beaks, slender type of beaks. They need to pierce their beak into flowers to suck the nectar. Birds have 2 feet. They have 4 toes for walking, hopping, picking things, catching and holding food. Different birds have different types of feet. Birds like pigeons, sparrows, mynas, crow and parrots perches or sits on the tree branches. They have feet that help them to grip thin or thick branches easily. They have 4 toes, 3 face forward and the fourth faces backwards. They can move each toe independently. They can even sleep while they perch. These are talons feet. Some flesh-eating birds like hawks and eagles have strong, sharp and curved claws that called talons. These help them to catch live prey like toads, rats and small birds. The scratching birds like hens, rooster scratch and dig the ground to bring out insects and buried seeds. They have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. These toes have sharp and hard claws to help them dig. These are the climbing birds which have special types of toes. Birds like woodpeckers and parakeets have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 pointing downwards. These toes help them to climb trees and to cling onto them. Let's see swimming birds. Swimming birds have webbed feet. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. The 3 front toes are joined by skin which is called a web. This skin helps them to push water back while swimming. Let's see wading birds. Birds like cranes and herons have long legs with spread out toes. They can wade through muddy water without getting wet. Let's see nesting habits of birds. Home of birds is called as a nest. Birds make their nests to lay eggs and raise their young ones. A baby bird is called a chick. It stays in the nest till they get old enough to fly. Then they leave and fly off. Birds use straw, fibers, wool, cotton, thread, twigs, leaves, and even paper to build their nests. On the screen, you can see the weaver bird's nest. The weaver bird makes a beautiful and strong nest with twigs and grass. It weaves the grass in and out rapidly. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters its home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. Birds like eagles and vulture make nests by gathering a few sticks and simply putting them together in the shape of a shallow cup. The woodpecker pecks a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. To make its nest cozy, it lines the hole with chips of wood. A tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with materials like thread and wool. This is why it is called the tailor bird. The nest is made cozy with cotton, wool, hair or dry grass. Mother birds lay eggs in the nests. Then they take care of eggs and keep them warm till they are ready to hatch. Different birds build different types of nests. I hope you have liked this lesson. Now for homework, write the Pearl worksheets or complete the Pearl worksheet in the book.